In order to use new features in SCCM Console, you need to upgrade the SCCM Console and SCCM clients on regular basis as per Microsoft releases the update. So let us see the process of upgrading the SCCM Console step by step. So in this video I have taken Configuration Manager 2309 into consideration and we will see the steps further based on this. Before upgrading to 2309, you need to make sure that Microsoft ODBC driver 18 for SQL setup is installed in the server. So to start with, you need to open the SCCM console and then go to administration, updates and servicing, and then right click on Configuration Manager 2309. You have to run prerequisite check. In order to monitor the progress of prerequisite check, you can refer to the log config mgr prereq.log, which is in the C drive of the server. We can see here that prerequisite check is completed in the log. If you have any warnings, then you can refer to the below pane and fix the issue using the instructions. When prerequisite check gets completed, it will show prerequisite check passed in the state column as you can see in the picture. So we are now ready to launch the 2309 update. You can consider 45 minutes time to install this update. So starting with the general tab, just click next and then you can select the features which you want to get installed during the update process. So after clicking next, you will go to console client update settings and then you can select the options. If you want to go without validating the update over certain collection of servers, then you can select the first option. And if you want to validate the update over a certain set of collection of servers, then you can choose the second option which will validate the update. So it's your choice. So I would select the first option and then I would proceed. Then after clicking next, you will go to license terms tab. You have to accept the license terms and privacy statement and you have to click on next. After clicking on next, you have to confirm the settings. So review the settings which you have done and just proceed to close the wizard. So installation has started and you can see on the state column in the console that configuration manager update is installing. You can monitor the installation status by going to monitoring update and servicing status, then right click on the update and show status. You will see the progress. You can also see the SCCM log file to monitor the progress status. So when that will be completed, there will be no pending packages to be processed. You will see in the log and that shows that the update installation is completed. So finally you can see that update has been successfully installed. So the console has auto update feature. If anybody is opening the console for the first time and is not using the recent version, then it will show the warning and once after clicking the OK, auto update will start to the latest version. So this is how after clicking on OK, it will download the files and then the update will get configured. You can follow the process in these logs as I have mentioned here. After the installation gets completed, you need to verify the build number of the console. Here the build number is 9120. You can see this by clicking on the top left of the Configuration Manager console in the About Configuration Manager. After the cache upgrade, you need to proceed for the child side upgrade. This is the sequence you need to follow. Now for upgrading the clients, you need to go to administration workspace, then site configuration, then sites. Then you have to right click on the hierarchy settings properties. Then you have to check the box upgrade all clients in the hierarchy using production client. You need to specify the number of days like you can say 1 day or 7 days. Then this is the complete process of upgrading the SSM console. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, subscribe this channel and stay tuned. You can also put your queries or suggestions in the comment box and I would definitely respond to that. Let's meet in the next video with another amazing technical topic, and till then, goodbye, take care.